Hello guys, let's solve this question together. It says root of 20 plus the root of 45 plus the root of 125. There is a positive sign there. Plus the root of 125. Let me add plus there. Plus the root of 125 minus 2 root 80. Now, how do we simplify this? So we are just to simplify. How do we go about this? It's easy to see that none of the roots that we have here, none of them is in its basic form. What do I mean by basic form? It means I can still simplify all the roots that we have here. So basic form is just a form such that it will not be simplified into a simpler fragment. So, but all these can still be simplified into a simpler form. And that is what we mean when we say they are not in the basic form of surd. Now, all I just need to do is ensure all of these are in the basic form. Now, how do we go about this? We know that to write 20 in its basic form, so square root of 20 can be written as the square root of 4 multiplied by 5. When we split 20 into the multiplication of its factors, in which one of the factors must be a perfect square, and in this case 4 is a perfect square as we have here. So from here we have equals, it's going to be square root of 4 then multiplied by square root of 5. And it's easy to see that the square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2 multiplied by root 5. And 2 multiplied by root 5 is going to be 2 root 5. And that's what we are going to be doing. So root 20 is the same thing as 2 root 5. And let's just write 2 root 5 for root 20. So we have 2 root 5. Then we have plus. So then we P out root 45. So root 45 can be written as the square root of 9 times 5. Remember, I told you one of the factors must be a perfect square. And in this case, 9 is a perfect square. So which can be written as the square root of 9 multiplied by root 5. And what is root 9? Root 9 is 3, then multiplied by root 5. And when we have 3 multiplied by root 5, it can be written as 3 root 5. So, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Root 45 is the same thing as 3 root 5. So we have 3 root 5. Then I have plus root 125. So how do I write root 125 in its basic form? So we have root 125, which can be written as root 25 multiplied by 5, because 25 is a perfect square. So we are on track. So which is going to be the square root of 25 multiplied by the square root of 5. And it's easy to see that the square root of 25 is 5. So we have 5. Then multiplied by root 5. And when we have 5 multiplied by root 5, is the same thing as 5 root 5. So root 125 can be written as 5 root 5. So let's write that. So we have plus 5, then root 5. But we have minus here. So minus. So we have 2 root 80. Now let's write 2 root 80 in its basic form. We have 2 root 80. So all we need to do is split root 80 into factors of its product of its factors. Sorry about that. So which is going to be written as 2 times So I have 80 to be written as 16 times pi. So which is going to be written as 2 multiplied by square root of 16, then multiplied by square root of pi. And we know that the square root of 16 is 4. So we have equals 2 multiplied by 4, then multiplied by the square root of 5. And 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. So we have 8 multiplied by root 5. And when we have 8 multiplied by root 5, same thing as 8 root 5. So 2 root 80 can be written as 8 root 5. And that's what we are going to be doing. So we are going to be writing 8 root 5. And from here, you can see that all are having the same roots. Root 5 for the first one, root 5 for the second, root 5 here, and also root 5 here. And when we have similar surds like this, or when we have surds that have the same roots, the same basic form, it means they are similar. So they are called similar surds. And when we have similar surds, it means we can add them up and we can also do subtraction in them. So we can only add similar surds and also we can only subtract similar surds. So surds that are not similar cannot be added together and cannot be subtracted from one another. Please take note of this. Only similar surds can be added and can also be subtracted. Surds that are not similar cannot be added together or subtracted. Now, since we know that these are similar surds, so we can add and subtract them. So when we have 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5, so we have 5 root 5. So it's just like saying 2a plus 3a. So the root is taking the place of the variable we have here. So root 5 is similar to a in this case. So when we have 2a plus 3a, we agree with me that it is 5a. So it's the same thing with surd. When we have 2 root 5, then plus 3 root 5. But the fact that they are both having the same surd, that is, they are similar, the answer is 5 root 5. So when we have 5 root 5, then plus another 5 root 5 here, it becomes 10 root 5 because 5 plus 5 would give me 10. And when I have 10 root 5, then I am to subtract 8 root 5 from it. So the answer is going to be 2 root 5. So the final answer to this question is 2 root 5. So we have 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5 plus 5 root 5. That's going to be 10 root 5. Then minus 8 root 5. So the final answer is 2 root 5. And that's how you go about it. Please do well to like, to share, and to comment. You are great.